A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling on Monday, the U.S. Supreme Court turned down an appeal from Martin Shkreli, the former CEO of Turing Pharmaceuticals, effectively upholding a $64.6 million financial penalty imposed on him for his role in inflating the price of the life-saving drug Daraprim. Shkreli, who became infamous for raising the price of Daraprim from $13.50 to $750 per pill in 2015, sought to challenge the penalty, arguing that the profits in question were accrued by his company rather than personally benefiting him. However, the justices did not provide an explanation for their decision, which is customary in such matters, and there were no noted dissents among the justices. The ruling comes after a lower court found that Shkreli had engaged in monopolistic practices that severely restricted competition for the medication. Prosecutors contended that Shkreli should be held accountable for the profits generated by his company, as he was the mastermind behind the price hike that triggered widespread outrage across the medical community and Congress. Alongside the financial penalty, Shkreli was also ordered to forfeit the Wu-Tang Clan's album, Once Upon a Time in Shaolin, which has been dubbed the world's rarest musical album. The album was auctioned in 2015 under the condition that it would not be commercially exploited. Shkreli's legal troubles began with his conviction in 2017 for defrauding investors in 2 hedge funds, leading to a 7-year prison sentence, of which he served a significant portion before being released in 2022. His actions regarding Daraprim sparked a national conversation about drug pricing and pharmaceutical ethics, ultimately leading to calls for regulatory reforms in the industry. Attorney Thomas Huff, representing Shkreli, expressed disappointment over the Supreme Court's decision, but remains hopeful that future rulings could provide a more favorable outcome for his client. He noted that Shkreli's case could be revisited if the Supreme Court were to establish a new legal precedent regarding the penalties imposed on individuals in similar situations. Shkreli's case exemplifies the ongoing tension between pharmaceutical companies' profit motives and the ethical responsibilities they hold toward patients requiring essential medications. The Supreme Court's ruling reinforces the notion that individuals in positions of power within the pharmaceutical industry can be held accountable for their actions, particularly when those actions have a direct impact on public health. As the debate over drug pricing continues, this decision serves as a stark reminder of the potential consequences for those who prioritize profit over patient welfare. In summary, the Supreme Court's refusal to hear Shkreli's appeal solidifies the financial and reputational repercussions he faces for his controversial actions in the pharmaceutical sector. The ruling not only impacts Shkreli but also sets a precedent for how similar cases may be handled in the future, highlighting the importance of accountability in the healthcare industry. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.